Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to deal with someone who has hurt us in the past. Now, when it comes to someone who's hurt us in the past, what we must realize is that when someone has hurt us, it was to teach us a lesson. It was for us to understand certain things which we didn't understand initially. It was for us to learn something. Look at it this way: instead of holding on to that past pain, instead of holding on to what they did, we must realize that that thing was a lesson, and that if we wouldn't have learned that lesson, we wouldn't be smart today, or we wouldn't be a better version of us today. We must realize that pain changed our life, and we must realize that that lesson which that pain taught us also changed our life. So when it comes to someone hurting us in the past, or when we are holding on to that pain, we must realize that that pain and that hurt, the more we hold on to it, the more that will destroy us. What we need to realize is that person and that experience is connected to some lesson which we had to learn for our overall growth. It was meant to be, and it had to play out in that way. We must realize that when somebody hurt us so badly, we must forgive them. When we forgive them, we set ourselves free from them. When we forgive them, we no longer hold any grudges. We no longer feel negative emotion. We, in a way, feel good that we learned a lesson and we move on. And if we ever happen to bump into that person or even have a conversation with them, we must not feel bad, we must not fight. In fact, we must say thank you for teaching us that lesson. That is the best thing we can do for ourselves, because we take that lesson and we move on in life. Truly moving on has more to do with us looking at the lesson and not at the pain. It is more to do with us understanding it had to happen the way it did for us to be what we are today. It had to happen in a particular way. Now, if, for example, even somebody has hurt me in the past, and if I hold on to that hurt forever, I will be holding on to negative emotions. If I hold on to that lesson, I will remember that lesson and use that and use my mind wherever required in the future. So it is more to do with us absorbing that lesson rather than absorbing and keeping that pain. So all I'm saying through this video is that it is important for us to realize that certain things play out the way they did, and if somebody hurts us, we must let it go and we must move on and take only the lesson. Focus only on the lesson, focus only on what it had to teach us. Focus on how we can use it in the future in our life. Anyways, the past doesn't exist in the present moment. It's just an illusion. So what we must realize is that just look at the lesson and nothing else, because then we will be happier and we will be in a positive state. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe so everyone can get the maximum benefit out of it. And until next time, peace, much love.